Hey everybody, this is Richard Noto, Realtor, Home Inspector, and Notary. Right now I am over in Ardmore Reserve. Can't really see the viewer because the sun is all over it. There it is. There's a really big house over here. Let's go inside and take a look. And the builder here is Hanover. And this model is the Wilshire. It's a 5-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 3,198 square feet. Beautiful, I like it. As soon as you come in, I like the room off to the right over here, which has some additional space off to the left of your front door. Okay, so you got your kitchen and your dining room, and you got a nice size island over here. Look at that. Okay, so let's continue. You got a little outside sitting area, which you could easily screen in. Okay, got a whole closet. Of course, this was the bathroom. Here's your garage. I want to see. Ah, it's got some extra space. Make sure I didn't just lock myself out. Yeah, you got some nice extra space over there where the hot water heater is, that whole section. And you got this little cutout over here. Very nice. Okay, so let's go head up to the second floor. Wow. Wow. Okay, so there's a few ways to go over here. Oh, what a fantastic loft. Here's your laundry. They're very nice. You got a place to put the laundry and fold. Lonely socks, that's good. Okay. So, that's a huge walk-in closet. I mean, look at the size of that thing. Right here you just got your toilet. Wow, fantastic closet. Nice large master too. Let me see if I don't know if I did on the way. Yeah, I got that closet already. Okay, so let's continue down this hallway. With this home, it feels nice and even between the first floor and the second floor. It doesn't feel like there's more on the first or more on the second. That's a nice large closet for that type, for that shape of closet. And please check out my website at wintergardennew.com, where you could always find the latest homes for sale from every home builder at the bottom of the community page. You could also find homes from the MLS over there as well. Very nice house, beautiful home. I like it a lot. Each floor definitely feels like it's the same size, and there's a lot of stuff going on each. And please don't forget to like, favorite, share, subscribe. And if you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out and contact me. I'm no pressure sales. I do feel that the home should always sell itself in the community, and no one should ever try to sell you on it. And thank you for watching. Have a great day.